Hello everybody! Today we are going to be making a little fall sign because Michael's had their awesome sale, if you guys caught that last weekend. So I'm going to be using these letters. They were on clearance for 79 cents a letter, and of course they didn't have an F, they had an E, so just cut that off. It's wood, so if you have anything that can do double duty as a different letter, keep that in mind when you're finding these clearance sales. And then I bought this background, which is their little pre-made wooden signs that you can use. That's $16.99 normally, and it was on clearance for $6.80. And then I picked up some paints, and I'm going to also play around with adding some little decorative elements to it. So I have all of the different foliage that was in that bin that's in the supply video, the bin of stuff that I got from the supermarket. And then for my paints, I'm going to be using the little foamies, some brushes, and I have my Deco Art paints. I apologize, these are Americana this time. So Americana, I bought these specifically for this project, and I've got pumpkin patch orange and paprika. I'm going to use those. And we'll possibly make some other colors, but probably sticking with these two. Now because all of my materials are wood, there's really not much prep, but I am going to remove these little hangers off of here. They're just stapled on. Okay, so I have everything removed from the letters, and I've got those prepped for painting. So I'm going to paint all of that out, and then I will return to you guys once that's completed. Welcome back everyone. So I have the letters painted. I did alternating colors with the orange and the paprika. Yes, paprika. And on the ones with the paprika, I did kind of a plaid pattern, just so that it's not just the solid colors. It was a little bit boring with just the solid. So to do this, luckily, the wood shows the wood grain through. It's a really thick grain on these letters, so you can kind of use that to help you keep your lines straight when you're doing the vertical lines. And the other reason I picked this board that has the slats is helps me to keep my letters straight. So once I mount the letters, I can use this top line as a guide, and if all the letters are at the top of the line there, then I know that everything's straight as possible. So that's a tip. Instead of buying the boards or the signs that don't have the slats where they're just straight, if you do this, it just helps you out, makes things a little bit easier. And then I'm going to use a combination of some of the leaves and some of the sunflowers, and I'm going to do just a little design over here in the corner as well. So to attach everything, first and foremost, make sure you have your sign upright. So, yep, got our hanger at the top, so we're good there. And I'm going to use hot glue. And I'm just going to put this on here pretty generously. I'm going to repeat that process with all of the letters, making sure that everything is set, and I will return in a minute. Okay, so I have all of my letters attached. So this is what it looks like so far. And then I am now going to attach over in the corner some of these leaves and the sunflowers. And what I think I'm going to do is have this overhanging off of the sign in the corner like this, and put the sunflower just over it. That. first I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue on the back of the leaves. Alright, so I've got everything attached. So here's our finished product. Now the great thing about making your own signs, you could come up with clever phrases, you can make them unique, and you can actually save some money. Like I say, these were 79 cents for each letter, and then $6.80 for the sign. These I already had from different craft supplies I bought, so around $10, $10 to $12. It's a nice hardy sign, and it looks more expensive than what it was, and it's ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project. I know this one is one that's going to be specific to just this holiday, and next week we will do a Halloween project, so I will see you then.